Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna make a real quick video. I didn't show installing any of this, but just wanted to show you guys what all I've done to the truck. I've got new tie rods in it, basically all the steering linkages as well. Redid the bushings and the little, whatever you want to call those little end links up here on the sway bar. I do have a new track bar that's adjustable that I'm going to be putting and installing as well. When I lifted this truck, it kicked the axle off to the right, probably an inch or more. So again, if you guys lift the truck up, it's solid over here, it's going to pull it to this side. So got that. I just haven't got it installed yet. I'm hoping to get it maybe this weekend. I've also got a steering stabilizer that goes here on the end of the pitman arm and bolts in across here, just like all the generic ones they make for these Dodges. I wasn't able to get it in due to this thing being wrecked on this side. It's off just a tiny bit. I could get the bolts to start. So I'm gonna drill out those holes a little bit and get that mounted. Hopefully I'll have that done tonight. And then the other thing I lack is the steering stabilizer, the little shock. The one that was on the stock stuff was completely shot. So got to get either a new single, or I may do the dual setup and put on this. I'm not real sure yet, so I'm kind of looking into that. I'm not real sure how well that'll all go in there once I put all this other stuff. I want to make sure it'll actually go underneath the truck, but it's kind of where I'm at. The only other things I've done to it is I checked the diff fluid in the front and back and added a little bit to the front. So yeah, other than that, I haven't done a whole lot to the truck yet. The rear bumper actually finally shipped, so hopefully I think it's supposed to be here Monday, so hopefully next week I'll have a video building the next precision rear bumper for this as well. And then I think that's about it on the outside of the truck. I think the only other cosmetic stuff I want to do is get the windows tinted and get some of the old tint that's on it off. And I think that's about it. Tail lights are in, they're working great. Yeah, at least right now it's drivable. So trying to think if there's anything else on the outside. I think that's pretty much covers the outside, and then we'll start on some of the interior stuff that I want to get done to it. So anyway, like I said, I was gonna just kind of give an update what I've done to the truck. Again, I didn't film any of that, just there's plenty of videos out there all over the internet for these rebuilding the front ends of these trucks. They're pretty notorious for being crap. So plenty of videos out there, and yeah, I mean, it's a little bit difficult when you're trying to put all that stuff together and record at the same time. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, I'll try to link the parts I used. Again, this front end steering tie rods and all that stuff was off from Detroit Axles. The steering stabilizer, I think, is just a generic one from off of eBay, and the track bar, I can't remember the brand. It's another just kind of generic one off of eBay. So looked like decent quality, had good reviews, so went with those. But I'll try to link those in the description below. But we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.